Well, I feel quite honoured. We're in Regent Street. I've been invited up to the Smeg store because they're having their Christmas party. They've invited me. Oh, I cannot wait. Oh. Well, this is very nice. Claire, how are you?
Hello.
Merry
nice
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Very Christmassy.
Thank you very much. I've got my Christmas jumper and everything for the party.
I can't wait for this party.
Well, you've got to be fit for the party, and it's only right you get a present. All the hard work you've done for us.
No, I got a present for you too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, Scott, you really shouldn't have.
No,
wow.
honestly, it's
so beautifully presented as well.
I'll
Okay, all right. Thank you. Well, tell you what, bring your present with you. We're going to head downstairs.
The party's downstairs?
Party's downstairs.
Everybody there?
Everyone's downstairs.
Come on. Come to the Christmas party, you said. Come to the big smoke. Come to London. You'll have a fantastic time. Why am I dressed like this?
Well, because we're going to cook some stuff for the Christmas party and you're going to be my little helper.
Is that better?
Better?
So we're cooking Christmas dinner?
Yeah, well, we're going to do a bit sweet and savoury.
Ooh.
So, savoury...
Oh, turkey! It's Christmas!
No.
What do you mean, no?
What else do you associate with Christmas? Sprouts.
What?
We're going to make some sprouts.
That's all you do is put them in the pan and boil them for an hour. That's what you do with sprouts.
We're going to make a sprout very exciting. We're going to do a sprout fondue. And then we're going to do a sweet dish as well. And we're going to make an amazing Christmas tree cupcake tower. Ooh. That we can serve to all of the guys when they come for the party later.
Oh, like naughty and nice.
Absolutely. Right, so sprouts are in the fridge. Do you want to grab all the ingredients?
Oh, hang on. Whoa.
So we've got naughty cheeses too.
We've got cheese. Oh, not only sprouts, we've got cheese.
So we've got brie, we've got some Gruyere, and we've got some soft cheese. And then
Bacon.
we're going to wrap some of the sprouts in some pancetta.
So basically, what we should do is cook them and get rid of them.
No. Right, so first of all then, Scott, let's put all the cheese in here, and that can be melting away. Brilliant. Now, a bit of seasoning. And then we'll just pop it on here, pop the hood up, and we'll just leave it to melt away.
I feel a bit embarrassed because my ears don't fit in.
They're good ears above.
What?
Right, we better start peeling because there's a lot of sprouts to do. Some of the sprouts we're going to wrap in a bit of bacon, so we'll pick out some big ones to do.
Best thing sprouts are for? Ooh.
Just drizzle a little bit of olive oil over the top and then a little bit of salt and pepper just for seasoning, and then we're going to put them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees on fan for about 20 minutes. Lovely. So that's the savoury done. Let's move on to the sweet.
Good.
So we're going to take some butter.
Butter.
With some golden caster sugar. I'm going to beat it all together.
Okay.
Then we're going to add 4 eggs in.
Okay. With
a little bit of flour at a time, just to stop it from curdling, and then add in our milk and our vanilla extract.
Yep. Okay. And just whap it on. There's something quite soothing about that, isn't there?
Yeah, it should just taste good.
I don't know why we bother cooking it.
Just to take it off. Lovely.
Just the way I like them.
Perfect. So we'll let them cool, and whilst they're cooling, we'll make the icing to go on the top.
Okay, lovely.
Santa, won't you hurry down the chimney tonight?
Oh, no, look, watch yourself. Christmas.
No, you don't want to do that.
It's like Christmas.
Nice and slow. Are you cleaning up afterwards?
Yeah.
Yeah, not me.
Santa, don't you worry, we'll be sleeping so tight, dreaming of the special joy of Christmas's delights. We've been waiting long, dear Santa, for the sighting of your sleigh.
I think you should put the star on top.
Me?
Though we're older, you're gonna see, just like a kid will run
Merry
to
Christmas, Cheers all. Well, from everybody at Smeg, there's no excuses this year for you not to eat your sprouts because everybody will like that. And the Christmas tree will be absolute triumph. Doesn't matter how old you are. From everybody here at Smeg and of course us at the North Pole. Have a fantastic Christmas. We'll see you next year.
Santa